One thing I do love is when a tech firm knows about the attention to detail. And this is what surprised us this week when Fiitii supplied us with these, guys, simply amazing looking Fiitii HiFiDots. If you take a simple look at the presentation, especially the box itself, I do love how wonderful the inspiring printed text is on the sides. Let's remove the sleeve, and depending if you order the black or green versions, well, the outer box I do think will be colour coordinated to the tone of your particular earphones too. This watch-like case has a fantastic premium presentation. Enjoy your high fidelity life. Jeez, I will. We do get some instructions on how to remove and in fact store the earphones within the charge case. That's nice, real nice classy touch. Underneath, what the hell? Wow! Now, no lie, that's got to be the most unique looking charge case I've seen in a long while. Phew! Wow guys, the weight of this charge case, it's as heavy as a pebble that you would get on the beach. And that's because it has a huge 460 mAh internal battery. Just look at that exquisite design. It's honestly truly superb. It has a metallic dark green complexion, a rose gold HiFiDots logo, a matching rose gold outlined Type-C charge port to the bottom, where when you head further into the box and dig out the colour matching flat Type-C charge cable, when it is indeed plugged in, the LED lights above the charge port will be illuminated. Oh, actually, it looks like they come fully charged already. Brilliant. We can get stuck in. What the fucking hell? What in the world of sexy is this shit? That is Iron Man awesome. Honestly guys, what a wonderful, unique, classy lid. It simply opens up like Iron Man's helmet. This is a fascinating set of earbuds. Wow. Now we've taken an initial look at the earbuds. I do like those gold emblems, very fetching. And yeah, Fiitii are not playing about. How on earth do you get them out? They're a bit fiddly, I must admit. They're not really the easiest to take out the charge case, really. Yo! What the fuck? Not only are the AirDots super compact, but them pairing lights simply stunning. Let's quickly go ahead and pair them though, by selecting HiFiDots from our device list on our mobile phone. And it's good to know guys, that if you're using these earphones in the dark, yeah, those lights will turn off once they are indeed synced. So nope, you haven't got that aeroplane coming into land feature on your ears. With regards to design and comfort, yeah, the earbuds fit pretty much snug in our ears. Hang on, let's swap out the ear tips. Gonna swap them for the bigger ones. After all, we do have 3 extra sets of ear tips included within the accessories. And nope, they're not basic ones either. No. You have their very own built-in grill included. You know, so to stop any type of build-up of wax clogging up the inner part of your earphones. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Again, it's just another great aspect when it comes to the design of these earphones. But I will note that with no music playing just yet, there doesn't seem to be much, if all, any type of passive noise isolation. Style-wise though, I personally love the green colour. They definitely stand out, especially with those gold icons. They 100% look exclusive. And once we have gone ahead and downloaded and installed the Fiitii app, all notification tones, like pairing notifications, etc., they are well thought of. The sound effects do leave you with a feeling that they are very futuristic. Now from that said app, you can choose some presets like equalizer modes to suit different genres of music that you're playing. We did again and again choose the dynamic mode. I think it's better suited for all our needs, especially when busting out some hip hop or R&B tracks. You know, like a bit of Nicki Minaj. It's not just girls who all have fun. And if you want to relax, Fiitii have also included some white noises to choose from, like rain, waves, as well as a few others. Looks like I'm going to be sleeping tonight. It's like ASMR. Cozy. You can go ahead and manually adjust the equalizer should you wish, but if you want a quick tip on the perfect fit for your hearing and comfort, again, Fiitii will provide a quick song test. So it will structure the audio which is best suited for you. Oh, by the way, you can manually turn on those glowing side lights. In fact, you can switch between 3 different lighting effects. Just, if you're in the dark walking down the street and you want to stand out from the rest, you can slide through 3 of the different modes. Oh, very fancy pants. ANC modes though, can I be honest with you guys, they're not extremely effective, to be honest. The strongest mode will block out some noise, but will definitely not completely blank out the outside world, I'm afraid. Don't get me wrong, you can just about differentiate from between the mild and strong modes, but when it does come to transparency mode, it is in fact very, very good, especially at projecting outside noises, which if you want to stay safe and you want to hear such sounds as smoke alarms, traffic light signals, etc. when playing music out and about, then their transparency mode will work perfectly fine. I know, music quality, we'll get into it. Well, the music quality, with those 10mm drivers, when switching through all types of genres of music, the Fiitii HiFiDots did provide us with, I would say, an above average music listening experience when blasting out some of our favourite hip-hop tracks. The highs? Well, they sound excellent. Very good impactful and immersive high tones. Great vocal clarity, by the way, and that's thanks to those perfectly levelled mid-tones. Nope, the mid-tones didn't sound overpowering when switching between different genres of music, for example rock music or classical, but the only thing I would grumble about, only slightly, is that the bass, when it did come to hip-hop or R&B, the bass depth was indeed lacking just a bit. I personally just prefer a more impactful bass experience, more thudding bass to feel more immersive when blasting out real energetic songs. So yeah, music quality, I do think that Fiitii has simply aimed for the clarity above everything else, which is perfectly fine. It suits all different genres of music after all, and nevertheless, when it did come to the Bluetooth connection, because it has that Bluetooth 5.3 aptX, it does provide low latency, seamless music by the way, with no disconnections whatsoever, with a pretty good distance away from our mobile device, especially in our concrete build household. And I would say after a day or so, with regards to the touch controls, you will get used to them. So for example, we've got such functions like 1 tap on either earphone for the volume up and down, 2 taps to play pause, 3 single taps for the previous and next track selections, with 4 taps for the ANC and transparency modes, as well as 5 single taps for low latency mode. Sadly though, voice assist does seem to be absent from these controls, I'm afraid. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe someone can fill me in the comment section down below if I'm mistaken. Usage time, we did get 3 hours 18 minutes using 100% volume, that is with the ANC mode off, but when we turn the ANC mode on, we did only in fact get 2 hours 30 minutes. Now you can boost them a number of times using the charge case, and it will only take just over an hour to fully charge the earbuds from flat. Ultimately, I really do think that the Fiitii HiFiDots certainly look the part. They look absolutely fantastic, and I personally think that they want to come out and play with the big boys. Not only that, they're quite comfortable for lengthy use. They are IPX7 water resistant, so yes, you'll be able to use them when walking in the rain, using them while singing in the shower. I almost forgot. The microphones on the earphones. Well, first thing first guys, please support this channel by subscribing just now. Cheers. In regards to any type of voice calls, from the opposite end, it was evident from what the other person said, most of the noise from my surroundings, especially when the TV was on in the background, when making that call, they did say that most of the noise was indeed blanketed out. So the 3 microphones that are built in are doing quite a good job to suppress the sound. From this end of the call, their voice didn't sound muffled whatsoever, and I did in fact feel quite immersed when in that said call. As to video recording though, as you can tell just now, my lips are indeed 100% in sync with the video recording. Overall, in regards to these microphones on the earphones, it is a good selling point. But for a £200 price mark, that's 256 in US dollars. I will leave that part up to you. For me, 200 quid, it's no joke, and with lots of competition in the market just now, especially within the earphone industry, some might think that that price might be a little bit excessive. But hey, if you want to stand out, especially from the rest, and you've got the money to flaunt, then these earphones might be a good concept for you. One thing's for sure, they will certainly get people noticing. For us, we're gonna give them, you know what, I'm gonna give them a generous 8 out of 10. I'm gonna put them in the mid-high range category. They're certainly not budget earphones, Again, the price mark's a bit high, but you know what? If you do want to check them out for yourself, I have left a handy little link in the video description down below where you can look at some more specific details should you wish. But let us know what you think. Do you own these earphones? What do you think about the quality and the fitment? Get commenting in the comment section down below. If you could do us the honour of liking this video just now, the more likes we get, the more we can grow this channel rapidly. And not only that, please just take a second to subscribe. All the support is very much needed at this given time. Bearing in mind, don't hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, it's been fantastic reviewing these earphones this week. I love them. I'm going to continue using them. But if you want to check out some of our previous earphone reviews, there's some interesting ones showing on screen just now. So you can click this one, or you can just wait a few seconds and here's another. Pick and choose really, pick and mix. Well, thanks for watching today and peace.